Hello and welcome back to the Moodle tutorial. In this session we'll talk about adding a video. Adding a video is really just doing what we've already seen in Moodle. It's very simple. Video can be a little tricky because there are so many different video formats. And if you have a video format that a student's browser doesn't recognize, then you'll end up having problems. But there are several ways to accomplish this, and depending on the file that you're using, can be very quick and easy. For a link to a YouTube video, we've already covered adding a URL. And so you could actually, just like we've added a URL to Grammarly, you do the exact same thing except you paste in the URL to YouTube. Have it open in a new window so that when students close the window or the tab, this page doesn't go away. And it's that easy, so you can go back and refer to that tutorial if you need help with that. But we'll assume now that we have a video file downloaded already. So let's turn editing on. And for the week of January 26th, we will have a video. So we'll add an activity or a resource. We'll scroll down to the resources and we'll choose a file because we actually have the video file. And we'll say add. Now, just like the other times we've added files, we have the name, and we can say, please watch this video. You can name it anything you want, name it by the video or whatever makes sense to you. This is just what students will see on the Moodle screen. And then we just drag that video file right into the space. So we'll come back and find our video file. And let's choose this one. We'll drag it right in there. Okay, now we may want to change some options here. First of all, if you click on the file, you'll make sure all rights reserved. The author of the video is not me, and so we can give the author's name and just make sure the license is correct and update that. But that's optional. You don't have to do that necessarily. Appearance. Where do you want this to be displayed? Do you want to force the student to be downloading this file and view it on their computer? In the case of video, you may want to embed the video. This means that the browser or Moodle will display this in a way that the browser should be able to view the video right inside this particular web page. And so I would recommend choosing embed. So let's save and display. Now here, QuickTime needs your permission to run. Just let the student know that they'll actually need to click on this and choose Run this plugin. Right-click on it in this case. And then the video will download and play right from inside the browser. Okay, let's click on play. All right, and that's it. So adding a video can be just that easy. You just add it as a file, just like any other file. If the video does not play, it could be that the video format is incorrect, or it's not in a format that is popular that web browsers would support. So you may need to do a little bit of research on the video formats, or you can just add it to YouTube and have a link to it from the YouTube video using the adding a URL option there. So you can refer to the previous tutorial on that if you need help doing that. But you can add a video by adding a link to an online video, or by uploading the file and choosing the embed option in the appearance section. All right, I hope this has been helpful, and we'll continue to explore Moodle in the following tutorials.